So friends, let's see today's delicious chicken coleslaw sandwich. So here I have 1 cup of cooked and shredded chicken. What I did is I took 250 grams of chicken boneless breast, 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan, and I just fried the chicken really well till it was nice and white and cooked completely. And then I brought it to room temperature and then I just shredded it into very fine shreds. And now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. So first what I've done is I've taken 4 large cloves of garlic and just crushed them in my mortar and pestle. So roughly they come to around 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic. So crush it really fine. Next I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of pepper powder. I just took about a tablespoon of peppercorns and just roasted them and then ground them to a fine powder, and I'm going to use about just 2 teaspoons of that. Next, I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of English mustard sauce. Now, this is available under different brands and it's easily available in stores. So, this also elevates the taste of this sandwich. Next, I'm going to go with 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce or Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to add some salt to taste. And then I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of Tabasco sauce. This adds a little bit of a spice, a kick to it, and really makes this sandwich amazing. Now all these ingredients are easily available in stores. And then I'm going to go with about 1/4 cup of mayo. So you can use the classic mayo, or you can use a flavored mayo or the veg mayo also. And just now mix everything really well together. You can adjust the mayonnaise as per your liking. If you want more of the mayonnaise, then you can add more. Or if you want less of it, you can add less. So the choice is yours. But mix everything really well together. Now I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of grated carrot. I'm using the orange carrot. And I'm going to also add just about 4 tablespoons of shredded cheese. And now we're just going to mix everything well together so it looks like a nice paste like this. And then I'm just going to cut the sides of some white bread. You can also go with brown bread, and put a generous amount of the spread onto the sandwich. And then you can add some lovely crunchy lettuce leaves, and then put the other slice of bread on top, and then just cut it up into 2s or into 4s, just as you like. And this makes an amazing snack or a very light meal, and you can even store this mixture in a glass bottle in your refrigerator for about 2 weeks, and just serve this with some salad or some fresh or some chips. Like I'm just put some carrot sticks and some chips together. So I hope you like today's recipe. Do give it a try. I'll catch you in my next video. This is Akshata signing off. Bye guys.